Okay, guys, we are now working on this problem. You should have already had time to solve it. You should have had time to talk to a partner, and now we're going to look at this. I'm going to read it one more time. Janice has 13 yards of fabric. 3/4 of the fabric were purple. How many feet of fabric are purple? How many feet of Janice fabric is not purple? Prove your answers using models, numbers, pictures, or words. And what I see right here, it says that 13 yards of fabric, 3/4 of the yard of fabric was purple. So how would we go about solving that problem? We would go and solve that problem by multiplying, because we want to know how many yards first. We have to start off with how many yards. So I'm going to take 13 and I'm going to times it by 3/4. Remember, put 13 over 1. Now I'm going to multiply straight across. 13 times 3 will get you 39 and 4. So now I need to figure out how many times 4 can go into 39. You should not be talking right now unless you're giving an answer. Micah, what would my answer be? Micah, you should have said 9 and, 3/4. So 9 and 3/4 what? Yards. Because that's what we started with. We started with yards. But does that answer my question? It says, how many feet of fabric are purple? It says feet, but my answer is in yards. So I needed to figure out how many feet are in a yard. So right here is my thing. Here's my yardstick. And I have 3 feet equal 1 yard, correct? 3 feet equal 1 yard. I have 9 yards, so that's basically me drawing this 9 times. That's 1 yard, that's 2 yards, that's 3 yards, and I could keep going. That's 4 yards. Or I can realize that what I have to do is what? Cami, what am I going to do? Yes, I need to multiply. I need to take 9 and 3/4, and I need to times it by 3, because I'm changing my yards to my feet. So what I'm going to do is, what do I have to do to this 9 and 3/4? I have to change it to a mixed number. So 4 times 9 is 36, plus 3 gets you 39/4 times 3/1. So I'm going to multiply straight across. I want you to take a moment, take 39 times 3, because I'm not going to give you the answer. You're going to take 39 times 3. If you don't remember, you can multiply it like that. 3 times 9 is 7. 27 trades your 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. So you have 117/4. Now, I am now working with division. 117 divided by 4. 4 can go into 11 how many times? 2. 4 times 2 is 8. 11 minus 8 is 3. Bring down your 7. 4 can go into 37 how many times? 9. That gets me 36. I subtract. I get 1. 29 and 1/4 feet, right? 29 and 1/4 feet. And that's in purple. So that answers question number 1 because it's asking how many feet are purple? How many feet are not? What do we have to do to decide how many feet are not? Well, how many yards did we start with? We started with 13, right? So let's take 13 and times it by 3. Because this is yards and this is feet. Because there's 3 feet, 1, 2, 3, in 1 yard. So it's basically me drawing it. So I'm going to multiply it. 3 times 3 is 9. Trade your 1. Or there's no 1 to trade. And 3. So 39. So there are 39 feet she starts with. And what do I have here? 29 and 1/4. So I'm going to take 39. And I'm going to subtract 29 and 1/4. I better not see that this is 1/4 right here. You better not write that that's 1/4 because it's not, is it? What do you have to do? What do you have to do to 39? Make it 38 and make this 4/4. Now I can take 4/4 minus 1/4 and I'm going to get, 3/4. And then I'm going to take 38 and I'm going to subtract 29. So take a moment, take 38 minus 29. Shh. Amir, what is 38 minus 29? Thank you, Amir. It is 9. So my answer is 9 3/4, not purple. Please make sure that you have this copied down into your book. All of it. So if Mr. Staub, you need to pause it and they make sure they write it in, that is what needs to happen. All of this needs to be written into your notebook.